how to use the Starbucks app, beginner's tutorial. So, if you want to learn how to use the Starbucks app, here's an overview on what you can do. First thing you see in the home page is Starbucks Rewards. This gives you information about extra events that gives you benefits. Over here you can see promos and other sorts of events. Next is the Order tab, where you can choose whichever you'd like as long as you have your payment method ready and you're already joined in. So all you have to do is join in is to click on one of the many options where you can see, as you can see there are two join option choices and one on the top that says sign in, which pretty much means the same thing. Now if you want to join in, you should have your email address ready and place that in, as the Starbucks app will send you a way to verify your account through your Gmail. And once you finish verifying your account within the 48 hours of it being delivered to you, you will have your account ready. As you can see here, I have verified my account and is now ready to use the Starbucks app. There are places in the Starbucks app where you can gain and earn rewards, where the rewards you can use will be able to be redeemed once it is qualified enough to be redeemable. Now you have your pay option where you can put a way to add your payment. And finally, the stores option. Turning on your location will allow the app to find the nearest Starbucks store nearby. And over here is a list of the stores that are currently available all around the world. Find one directly for wherever you live, but that's pretty much an overview on how the Starbucks app works. Like and subscribe for more videos. That's all. Thank you.